How to export images in Figma. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. For today's video, we will be talking about this platform called Figma, and I'm going to teach you how you can export your images. Now before we export our images, we're first going to add images into our design over here. To add images, you're going to click on this box icon over here and you would be able to add images or a video for your design. You could click this and you would be able to choose from your desktop. After selecting this specific image, you can see that it is attached to my cursor. What I'm going to do is I'm simply going to drag it over here and I will be able to place my photo into my design. Now after adding your photo, you can simply export this once again by clicking on the photo and then looking over here on the design section, and you're going to see export over here below. You're simply going to click on the plus sign and you will be able to export this specific photo from Figma. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.